here with our Wednesday writing video today. What have we been writing about?
Well, this week we're writing about land animals, and specifically you and I are writing about an elephant.
The elephant, yeah.
You guys are not writing about an elephant because we're writing about an elephant.
They better not turn in something about an elephant.
No, you better not. You better choose your own animal. There's so many to choose from. Yes.
All right, so today we're going to be focusing on interesting facts about your animal, and we are going to be writing a closing sentence. So let's jump up and talk about interesting facts about your animal. I want these to be interesting. I want to read their work and be like, wow, I didn't know that.
Yeah. I want to learn something new.
Me too.
Yes.
So if you tell me that like you're doing a penguin and penguins are black and white,
I already know that. That's not interesting.
Boring.
Yes.
That's not interesting. That's going to be like what they look like. I want something that when you read it, you were like, whoa, that's totally cool. I need to write that down. For example, I don't know if you knew this, but you know the trunks on an elephant? They have 150,000 muscles in their trunk.
In their trunk alone?
In their trunk alone. That many muscles.
Gosh.
I know. Isn't that interesting?
Because you know that they can use their trunk like a hand. The end of their trunk can like pick stuff up like it's your hand.
Yep.
It's pretty amazing.
And it moves all around and it sucks up water. Like you need a lot of muscles to do that.
I did not know that. Thank you for teaching me that.
You're welcome. Did you know that humans use more muscles to frown than to smile?
I did know that.
Isn't that cool?
So
you
smile.
got muscles in your mouth. Yeah. So now that's a cool fact that we could turn into a complete sentence.
Would we be done if that was the only fact we gave about the elephant?
Well, let's double check. It says to write 2 sentences giving interesting facts.
So not
Plural.
2 sentences about the same fact.
No.
1 sentence about one interesting fact and a second sentence about a different interesting fact.
You got
And a lot of times in those books on Epic or wherever you're researching, there'll be a whole section, usually at the end, about interesting facts.
Yeah.
And if there's not, I'm sure you'll find something throughout the rest of the book that is like, whoa, that's cool. I did not know that.
Absolutely. They could even use another source to look it up.
Yeah.
If they had a grown-up's help, you might be able to go on Google and research interesting facts about your animal. You could type that right in.
Specifically in, yeah.
So have someone help if you can't find something. All right, do you want to talk to us about the closing sentence?
Yeah. Very similarly to your opening sentence, your topic sentence, the closing sentence is almost the same thing. You're kind of just rewording it, putting the bottom of the bun on that hamburger of your paragraph. Where all the details were in the middle. We're not going to give a new fact or a new detail in our closing sentence. We're going to say something very general, which means it's not specific. We're going to say something like, and those are all the reasons why the elephant is the coolest land animal or the most interesting land animal. Or remember last week we talked about some of our sentence starters, transition words for concluding sentence. Can you think of any?
I really like to sum it up. I like to wrap it up. I like the word in conclusion. There are so many different ways that you can start your sentence. Maybe they could try to do something that they didn't use when they wrote about their sea animal.
So, for example, if we said last week, in conclusion, those are all the reasons why the blue whale is the most interesting sea animal, we might switch it up and say something like, to sum it up, comma, these are all the reasons why an elephant is the most magnificent land animal around.
Absolutely. I think that you did a great job.
Thank you.
And lots of different ideas and things that they could use at home. We are really excited to hear your writing and what you come up with. Don't forget to check back tomorrow when we do our final copy.